Here I am showing you how to upload notebook pictures, notebook pages, videos, or anything you want to upload in Google Forms. See, you got a link in this way. Now click on this link, it will open in this way. See, first enter your name. Yes, after that section, I am selecting section A and click on to add file. Okay, now select files from your device. अपने डिवाइस में से सेलेक्ट करना, अपने फ़ोन में से पहले से क्लिक करके रखा होगा. See, I am clicking here. Here you can see camera also. You can click that time itself. See how I am doing. Touch the camera. Camera को touch करो. It will open in this way. And here I am clicking the picture. See, I am clicking picture. Okay. Now touch the tick button. Okay. Touch the tick button. Then upload. Touch the upload. Now you can see uploading one of one. One picture is uploading here. Yes, picture, your picture has uploaded here. Now next step is, what is the next step? Submit. Click on to submit button. Here you are submitting this. Then your picture will reach to your teacher. That's it. Now I am removing this. I am showing another add file. Select file from your device. File में जाओ. You have clicked pictures. तो रिसेंट अभी पिक्चर क्लिक किया, कौन सा पिक्चर पहले मैंने क्लिक करके रखा है थोड़ी देर पहले. ओपन इट. ओके, वो सेलेक्ट करने से यू कैन अपलोड. सी, अपलोड, इसमें भी क्लिक करना, अपलोड करना. अपलोडिंग वन ऑफ वन. Your picture will upload here. Now it's uploading. Your picture is uploading here. After uploading your picture is here. Now submit button. Now again दूसरा add file में जाओ. Voice, how to record voice. Here file में जाके here how to record audio. सी recorder में जाओ. voice recorder होता है ना फ़ोन में, उसमें जाके click on to this circle button. See, now it will record. You read the book, whatever. Now it's recording. Then stop. Now click on to this tick button. Then now arrow, you can see an arrow here. Okay, where is it? This arrow. Now click on, touch that arrow. After touching, you will be coming back to your this page and click on to upload. Google page में आ गया वापस. Then upload. Upload हो गया. It's uploaded here. Your voice is uploaded here. See, the voice का symbol is they showing. And submit. Clicking the submit button. Okay, this is the way. Now पहले से apply record करके रखा, that also you can select. file में जाओ. audio पहले से select करके रखा तो वो that also you can select from the audio. audio में जाके मैंने से पहले करके नहीं रखा, so there is no audio in my device. Anything from this device you can gallery में जाकर गैलरी में जाओ, डिवाइस, ये देखो मैंने पहले से क्लिक करके रखा था पिक्चर्स, दिस पिक्चर मैंने पहले से क्लिक करके रखा है. So if you have any doubt, हाँ that was wrong, you can click here. Again you can go back, go to the file. See, you will be seeing, this is the correct one, I selected this one. So this way you can select, click here, then it will come, this window will open, then upload. This picture is uploading here. If you made any mistake, you can cross it also. See, now you can select it again. See, select files from the device, go to files and pictures, images. Image जाके you can select the picture. See, gallery. So I clicked थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने click करके रखा था. So I am clicking this. Oh, that is wrong, that was the wrong picture. Then what will you do? Yes, you come back to again, you can come back. This, you want this picture, this picture, anything, any picture you can select and upload. This picture has come here. Now images, you can see the image has come here. If you are thinking that no, that is not the one, can close it also and go back again and select another picture. Yes, now it has come. Then uploading. So very easy. Before submitting, you can make any changes. You can confirm it whether the uploaded file is correct or not. Now uploaded, your image is uploaded here, then submit button. That's it. Press submit button, your image will reach to your teacher. This is the way how to submit and how to upload the files, pictures, images in Google Forms. So I think everything will be clear to you. Thank you. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.